Hey my lovelies, this is Matulu and today I'm showing you how to make a warm chocho and butternut squash salad. This is divine. Now, so I'm showing you how to chop your butternut squash chips using a mandolin. These are the two different sizes that you can make. I'm using number two. Season with some Celtic sea salt, just a little bit. Then we're going to coat it with a little bit of chickpea flour, roughly 2 tablespoons-ish. Shallow fry them in some grapeseed oil on both sides. Now we move on to our chocho. So de-seed, cut it again using the mandolin. I use the size 2 again. 1 large spring onion, fresh coriander, the juice of 2 key limes, a little bit of fresh dill, fresh is necessary here, a teaspoon roughly of agave. Here is the butternut squash chips, nice helping of hummus. And there you have it. Enjoy, my lovelies.